In this video, I'm going to show you how to import passwords from Chrome to Proton Pass step by step so you can move your saved logins safely and quickly without manually retyping everything. If you've been storing passwords in Chrome and you're ready to bring them into Proton Pass, this guide will walk you through the full process from export to import. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access browser settings and password tools. From the menu, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for Autofill and Passwords. Click that section, and then select Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores your saved passwords and where you'll find the Export option. Inside Google Password Manager, click Settings again. Now scroll down until you find the Export Passwords section. This is the step that lets you download all of your saved Chrome passwords into a file that Proton Pass can later read. Click the Download File button. Chrome may ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons, so type your PC PIN when prompted. After that, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Then click Save. Make sure you remember where you stored it, because you'll need that file in the next step. Now that your Chrome passwords have been exported, open Proton Pass. In Chrome, click the pinned Proton Pass browser extension icon at the top of your browser. Once the extension opens, click the menu icon in the top left corner, which looks like three horizontal lines. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, click the Import tab. This is where Proton Pass lets you bring in passwords from another source. Next, choose Chrome from the Provider drop-down menu. Since you exported your passwords from Chrome, this tells Proton Pass exactly what type of file it should expect. After that, drag and drop the downloaded Chrome CSV file directly into the upload box, or click Choose a file if you want to browse for it manually. Select the file you just saved, then confirm the upload. Once the file is loaded, click the blue Import button. Proton Pass will now start populating your vault with the passwords from Chrome. Depending on how many passwords you have, this may take a few moments. When it finishes, check your vault to make sure everything imported correctly. You should now see your Chrome passwords inside Proton Pass, ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully exported your passwords from Chrome and imported them into Proton Pass. This is a great way to upgrade your password security while keeping all your logins organized in one place. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.